70% of all gold production in the U.S. comes from a single state, Nevada. Conventional wisdom says that all the good deposits have been found. But one geologist who's discovered more than 30 million ounces of gold says he knows where to find Nevada's missing gold. And right now, he may be on the verge of being proven right. Investors and speculators can learn more at futuremoneytrends.com/gold.
I knew this was coming. There were warnings.
In a meeting slated for November 30th, it seems the Yuan will be slated to get the approval to join other top currencies of the world in the IMF SDR basket. IMF Chief Christine Lagarde just gave the thumbs up to put the Yuan on par with the US dollar, Japanese yen, British pound, and euro. The staff of the IMF has found the renminbi having met the criteria of being freely usable and widely traded in major foreign exchange markets, stating this just after the announcement from Switzerland of direct trading between the Swiss franc and yuan. The IMF yuan inclusion change is supposed to take effect in October 2016, during China's leadership of the Group of 20 bloc of advanced and emerging economies. This would be the first time in history the number of currencies in the SDR basket has been increased. Like last week, Bitcoin is further consolidating in the low $300 range this week. We have a few months to vet out our prior prediction of a massive price rally, waiting until after the block size and Bitcoin XT debates were concluded. Friday, US Bitcoin exchange Coinbase announced the Shift Card, which is a US-issued Bitcoin debit card utilizing the Visa system to allow Coinbase users in 24 states to spend Bitcoin online and offline at over 38 million merchants worldwide. The card charges $2.50 for an ATM withdrawal, but currently no fee for Bitcoin to US dollar conversion. At this news, you'd think there'd be a bigger effect on the spot price of the digital currency. GBTC stock recently has diverted again from the Bitcoin spot price, now remaining at a premium of nearly $100 per coin for the stock. If you have Bitcoin to spend, try BitcoinBlackFriday.com for the yearly discount event coming up next Friday. There were 6,000 deals last year. Ignorant or malicious world banking regulators have linked Bitcoin to ISIS somehow after the Paris attacks. Whether this is just another thinly veiled threat at restricting financial freedom, we'll have to wait and see. News today hit that the Baltic Dry Index, a symbol of the strength of world trade, has just hit an all-time low of 504. Reuters is blaming slowing Chinese demand along with low oil prices, and we don't disagree. Overall, the Baltic Dry Index is down more than 60% over the past year. This week only, WTI crude oil is down, according to oilprice.net. We hate to say it, but if the slowdown continues, we could see oil as low as $30 next year. The US oil rig count is down to its lowest since June 2010, however, at 564. Year-over-year oil is still down 43%. It's down 35% from just 6 months ago. Gold and silver have not shown strength or recovery yet, almost disproving predictions by Bo Polney and the Webbot over the last month. Platinum is also down significantly, closer to 7-year lows where it's just $55 away. Palladium, on the other hand, is faring a little better, only near 3-year lows. After plugging a temporary hole in the Social Security Disability Fund, now Congress needs to plug the hole or kick the can for the Highway Trust Fund once again. The fund is literally depleted, and a new bill is being proposed to solve the problem. It's called the DRIVE Act, and the monkeys behind this one even think it's smart to sell off 100+ million barrels from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve at a time when oil is at multi-year lows. Another part of the bill allows the government to revoke your passport if they believe you owe more than $50,000 in federal tax, of course with no judicial review or due process. Contrary to last week, US stocks have had a big recovery. The Dow gained nearly 600 points for the week to make it evenly flat year to date. To gain some more perspective, over the last 5 years, the Dow has gone up 61%.
If you haven't seen our economic interviews yet with Jim Rogers, Gerald Celente, and Michael Pento, be sure to check them out. We also just released interviews with Dave Scotese on Bitcoin and freedom, and Jennifer Briney, who exposes the shady dealings between lobbyists and Congress and how much our lawmakers even know about the laws they are trying to pass. Be sure to subscribe for free at crushthestreet.com for more unconventional truth and wealth building strategies.